Hi, welcome to the Yuni Show. Hi, welcome to the Yuni Show. I'm in the beach again because my mom is gonna do fasting. So anyways, I'm drinking this sparkling water. Oh, do you want some? Okay. Do you want these chips? There you go. And today I'm relaxing on the beach. And also, it's a very windy day. And I'm gonna go play in the water. Oh. Yes, and I'm gonna take up something. See? What should I put in? Aha, my almond chips. Why are you doing already? Dig, food. Yeah. Why will this scientifically can this work? I don't know, it can. It just can't. I know this can work because it has worked before. Alright, I'm digging up some chips. Close your eyes, YouTubers. Got it. Oh, hurry up! Ah. Oh yes, please like and subscribe for that. Even though it's not so bad, it's okay. I'm digging some food. Yeah. Ooh, look, I found you some rocks. What is this? Look at this interesting piece. This will go straight here. Where did I keep the shells? Magic. Now. Oh, look. Where is the thing? No. Alright. See? What? Ta-da! Where's the... And ta-da! And ta-da! Ta-da! Magic, huh? Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.